Was a project that we did down in Palmetto, Georgia. There was a forklift fire in approximately 1 million square foot facility that was a distribution center for some fiberglass insulation. The fire started, was left to burn. The local fire department came out, just extinguished the fire, and left quite a bit of soot in three kind of continuous buildings, and they weren't exactly sure how to handle the cleanup. So we were contacted. It's a regular client of one of our salespeople, great client, and they asked us to come out, do some preliminary testing to see how far that smoke radiated out from where the forklift was positioned. We were able to collect some samples of the ceiling and walls and adjacent locations. We were able to draw up a protocol on exactly how to handle this. We started centrally where the fire occurred and then worked out from there. It was pretty much 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., 7 days a week for 3.5 weeks. We finished ahead of time. There were quite a few challenges in this particular project. We did not have sufficient power. So we had to call in an electrician, set up some temporary power, as well as there was no forethought on the client of wastewater that would need to be dealt with that was produced by the cleaning of the surfaces. It's a great way to show the effectiveness of these cleaning companies. You know, it's always great to have a paper trail, especially when it comes to insurance claims. They definitely want to make sure that the product that they're receiving at the very end is exactly what was anticipated to, and have all of those surfaces and contents cleaned.